Sextortion is a cruel form of online exploitation with consequences that should never be underestimated. It can severely disrupt victims' lives, damaging both personal and professional relationships. Many wonder whether the impact of sextortion will follow them forever. In this video, we'll examine the long-term effects of sextortion and discuss how it is possible to move forward after such a traumatic experience. Who can support me emotionally during a sextortion situation? The psychological toll of sextortion can be overwhelming, but recovery is possible with the right support. Professional therapy and counseling are essential in helping victims rebuild trust in themselves and others. Group therapy, in particular, offers a sense of community and helps reduce feelings of isolation. Healing is a deeply personal journey, and each victim's path to recovery is different. Will my leaked content haunt me forever? Some victims worry that explicit images or videos will leave a permanent stain on their lives. However, thanks to advancements in technology and the enforcement of strict anti-harassment policies by most social media platforms, this type of content can often be removed. Victims should know their rights and seek immediate professional help and support in these cases. Who can help with sextortion? Sextortion is terrifying and can feel permanent, but there is hope. By working alongside professionals and law enforcement, documenting evidence, and following proper procedures, justice can be pursued. Victims can overcome the trauma of sextortion and find a path toward recovery and peace of mind. Start by setting small, realistic goals and progress step by step. Will counseling help with sextortion? Remember, counseling is available to guide and support you. Be cautious when sharing personal material online and only trust people you know well. You hold the power to build a fulfilling life beyond sextortion. Stay resilient and know that help is available whenever you need it. Does sextortion last forever? Although sextortion can have devastating effects, it is possible to heal and move forward. Long-term recovery can be achieved through therapy, self-care, and the support of a trusted community. Victims must remember that they are not to blame and that they don't need to face this battle alone. If you or someone you know is a victim of sextortion, reach out for help and guidance. Together, we can work toward creating a safer online environment for all. For immediate assistance, contact Blackmail.HelpLine at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmail.helpline.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmail.helpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.